Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you how to do these super cute tribal braids. Fulani braids. This was my first time braiding like on my scalp. So don't judge. What they look like in the back. If you like to achieve this look, please stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'm gonna just do a time lapse of me doing my hair because I already did a tutorial like this before. Then I'll go more into detail when I get towards the top. I wanna be not even moisturizing. Wow. Anyways, this is leave-in conditioner with electrolyte and rice water, which I already used rice water on my hair when I washed it, but this is a leave-in. So let's put a good amount. Okay, so here's how I do my knotless braids. I use a good amount of product and then I separate my hair into 3 sections. And then I proceed to add 3 different pieces of hair. So the first piece of hair I'm going to add, you're going to be taking it between the first and the second piece. And then the third piece should go right underneath, and then the second piece should go on top. And then so on and so forth. It's like a normal braid at this rate. And then after we've gotten to a point where a singular piece of our hair is left out, then that's when I'll be adding the second piece. So right about now, because my natural hair is out. Yep, and then I'm going to add the third piece of hair after this loop. Right here, I should be adding it. Yep. And then I actually added 4 pieces for this video because I knew I was going to be curling my ends, so I wanted them a little bit longer than normal. But that is how I do my knotless braids. far I've gotten. Myself trying to mix some colors. I don't know who I thought I was. Let me show you. Before I show you, bear with me. Don't judge me. Here it is. Now, before you be like, girl, that's ugly. Just hear me out though. The colors I have in here is 27, 30, 33, 613, and burgundy. And I don't know. I did a pretty good job mixing them together. I just feel like I lost my way when it came to the platinum. I don't know. I think I'm gonna just do blonde, keep it a little simple, you know. This is the first time for me that I'm braiding like my hair on my scalp, hence the confusion on my face. I don't even know how to explain like how you would do this on yourself. Like, you do have to know how to braid, like French braid your hair some sort of way. So find a comfortable position to put your hands in and just braid. Literally, like, that's what I did. I just found a comfortable way to hold my hand on my head, and I just started to braid. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I was confused like halfway through, but I just kept braiding and kept braiding. Like, that's why it doesn't really look that good, but it looks like good enough, you know. But yeah, just have confidence. That's all I have to say. Like, be sure of everything, and again, just find a comfortable position for your hands and just braid. Like, literally just braid away. And even if you can't get your braids to be like perfect, get your parting. As long as your parting is perfect, there's no way the braids can look that bad. Remember that. of the braids in the back. If you made it to the end of this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All the products and everything will be linked below, so in the description box, so keep a lookout for that. And thank you so much for watching.